Java didn't get faster. Your cloud bill just got louder. For years, nobody cared how efficiently Java ran. Throw more servers at it, problem solved. Now, enterprises are discovering that half of their cloud spend is JVM workloads. And suddenly, boring Java became a boardroom discussion. Java is still everywhere in enterprise. Banks, ad tech, trading systems, large scale backend systems, but something changed. Since Java 9 in 2017, the platform updates every 6 months. Fast, relentless, feature heavy. And companies like Azul are building high performance JVMs that promise faster startup, shorter warm up time, better latency, less cloud compute usage. In translation, that means same Java, different engine, much lower cloud bill, and apparently that difference can be 10 to 30% in infrastructure savings, which at enterprise scale is not pocket change. This feels confusing for one reason. We think performance is a developer problem, but it's actually a finance problem. Most devs think if it runs, it runs. While on the other hand, most companies think if it runs, how much is it costing us per second? And here's where the confusion lives. Java apps in the cloud often get over provisioned. Why? Because of two things. Number one, scaling unpredictably, and number two, JVM warm up time. The JVM uses JIT, just in time compilation, which is brilliant but also slightly dramatic. When your app starts, it's not fully optimized. It slowly learns, it warms up like a diesel engine on a cold morning. And during that time, performance is meh. Now imagine that happening during early stock trading hours. Not very cute. So, what do companies do? They over provision. Extra servers, extra headroom, extra cost. Just in case the cloud bill doubles. Under the hood, this is about the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine, specifically the GIT compiler. The GIT watches your app while it runs. It notices patterns, it optimizes hard code paths dynamically. That's powerful, but the optimization takes time. High performance JVMs like Azure's platforms Prime with Falcon JIT try to reduce that warm up curve. They basically say, what if engine didn't need 5 minutes to wake up? What if it was ready immediately? Less warm up time equals less over provisioning equals less idle compute equals lower cloud bills. Here's the key mental model. Performance doesn't just improve speed, it improves infrastructure efficiency. If your runtime is faster, you need fewer machines to handle the same traffic. It's not about rewriting your app, it's about replacing the engine under the hood. Same car, but better combustion. Imagine this. You open a coffee shop. Every morning, your espresso machine needs 20 minutes to heat up. So, what do? You hire two extra baristas to handle slow mornings. Not because demand is high, but because your machine is slow. That's over provisioning. Now, imagine you upgrade the espresso machine. It heats up instantly. And suddenly, you need fewer staff, you serve faster, customers are happier, electricity bill drops. Did your coffee shop regime change? No, you just upgraded the machine. That's high performance Java. Same code, faster runtime, lower cost, less panic. This is not Java versus other languages. This is cloud economics maturing. For years, companies just threw compute at problems. But now, cloud bills are visible. Finance teams are asking questions, and performance is becoming a boardroom conversation. That's the shift. Runtime efficiency is no longer a dev only concern, it's infrastructure strategy. Java workloads make up 50 to 65% of compute spend in many organizations. Even 10% improvement is massive. This isn't hype, it's an operational map. So, no, Java didn't suddenly become cool, it became expensive. And then people noticed high performance JVMs and magic. They are just better engines. The real story isn't Java is back. It's cloud scale makes inefficiency visible. Now I am curious. If performance affects business this much, should runtime selection be a product decision, not just dev decision? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.